My idea for this apartment was to use traditional and natural materials such as granite and plywood. I took inspiration from the Japanese concept of the shoji. It's a sort of merging of French inspiration and Japanese inspiration, and I think it's at the core of my practice as an architect.
This is my Oso Versatile Chef's Pan from Maya, who also happen to be the sponsor of today's video. With this one single pan, I can make this whole meal. More about how I use my Maya pots and pans at the end of this video.
The apartment is in the eastern area of Paris. The building was built in middle 19th century during the Industrial Revolution. Today, most occupants are students or young professionals like me or young couples. My name is Marlise Alferrin. I'm an engineer and architect based in Paris. I actually own this apartment. The floor plan of the apartment hasn't changed since it was built. There were 2 small rooms, a tiny kitchen and a small bathroom. The front door opens directly into the living room. There used to be a small entrance with a partition, but I wanted the space to be fluid, so I removed it. I removed the central partition between the bedroom and the living room, and I designed a furniture that would be at the same time a bench, a closet, a desk, and that would serve as a partition between the new living room and the new bedroom. From the entrance, the first thing you'll notice is the shoji and the bench. Usually shoji are made out of rice paper on a lattice frame. These materials are not easy to find in Paris nowadays, so I decided to use plywood cleats and polycarbonate in order to create a new style of shoji. The living room is a simple open space. There is a couch that can become a bed when I have guests. I built some wall shelves out of the leftover plywood and painted it in white so it would blend with the walls. I have my books and plants here. They are the only possessions that I have a lot of. On the other side of the couch, there's a bench that is also part of the shoji wall. The bench can also hold a TV if new owners or occupants want it. In front of the couch, there is a coffee table that I just found on the street and painted in white. The kitchen is in a nook next to the living room. I like to call it my minimalist cave. The countertop is granite, which is very versatile. There is an induction hob, a sink, a dishwasher and an oven. And there's also a washing machine hidden behind a door. There is no need for an exhaust fan because of the ventilation of the wall, which saves space for more kitchen storage. On the other side of the kitchen, there's a storage unit that goes from the floor to the ceiling. When I need to work from home, there is a hidden door that folds out into a desk. It's a really nice place to work, as there is plenty of natural light from the large window beside it. Having the storage unit sit slightly out of the sight from the living room creates a separate zone in a small open apartment. The door of the bedroom is made of polycarbonate, so the light can circulate in the whole apartment and enter the bedroom. Inside, the space is designed to feel like a cabin. At night, the light inside the bedroom transforms it into a light box in the middle of the apartment. In order to create a relaxing and warm atmosphere in the bedroom, I just wanted a soft glow coming from the wall and no light from the ceiling. In the bedroom, there is an additional closet unit and you can have access from within the bedroom or from outside. The bathroom was newly renovated when I moved into the apartment, so it was already quite functional with a shower, a mirror, a sink and water closet. So I focused on the living room and the bedroom and decided to save my time and money in keeping what was already functional. I try to have in general a frugal approach with reduced carbon footprint materials and natural materials. When you make a project with good materials, you'd better think about the design because you're going to keep it for long. When you manage to find a way to make it last in time, in the material, but in the use also. That's how it becomes sustainable.
Since joining NTS as a content creator, I've come to appreciate the versatility of multifunctional design. So when Maya sent us some products to try out, I immediately put dibs on this chef's pan. It quickly became my go-to piece in the kitchen. With its non-stick coating and deep profile, the pan works wonders on my egg fried rice. I'm team induction, and boy do these pans heat up fast. Plus, no stained bottoms. If I can get away with using a single pan for the whole meal, you bet I will. But you know what the best part is? There's 3 more of these bad boys in the set. We've teamed up with Maya to give you 15% off. See link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.